Yes, good afternoon, children. Today we will continue our construction of triangle. So here, next our practice set, it is about to construct a triangle given two angles and the included side. So here I have taken one example. After that, I will show you the practice set 4. Yes, for example here, in triangle XYZ. So length of YX is given 6 centimeter. Measure of ZXY, it is of 30-degree angle, and measure of XYZ, it is of 100-degree. So I drawn here first rough figure. So in that base, what is YX? It is given 6 centimeter. Angle Y, it is given of 100-degree, and X, it is given of 30-degree. So like this you have to construct. I drawn here rough figure. Actually how you are drawing? So first here take 6 centimeters in scale. So draw that 6 centimeter line segment first like this. Yes. So this is about the YX, children. Yes. Now here you have to draw the angle first. Here how much Y? It is of 100. So take here and draw the 100-degree angles. After 90 it will come 100. So like this you have to draw that and join the ray. Yes. Now X angle, it is of 30-degree. So here you have to keep, and when you are keeping to this side you have to count from this 10, 20 and 30-degree mark here and draw the ray like this, and where they both get intersect. Yes, so that point, it is of our Z point. Yes, so this is of 100-degree angles, so this is of 30-degree, and this line segment, it is of 6 centimeter. So like this you have to construct the triangle when two angles and one side is given. Now we will see the next our practice set for question number 1. I will show you how you are drawing. Yes. So practice set 4. Yes. I will write first question. Yes. Construct a triangle of given measures below. So first one in that triangle SAT. So length of AT is given 6.4 centimeter. Then measure of angle A is given 45-degree, and measure of T angle given 105-degree. Yes. So first our step is that you have to draw the rough figure. Yes, I am drawing here. Rough figure means you will get idea. Yes. So what is given first? AT is given. So I given name here as AT. So AT is it of 6.4 centimeter. A's angle it is of 45-degree, and T's angle it is of 105-degree. So step by step you have to draw. First 6.4 AT line segment you have to draw. Yes, I am drawing here. Just observe that. Here mark first. After the 6, 4 lines. 1, 2, 3 and 4 lines. Yes, so draw that. Yes. So this is our first AT. Then draw the angle of A. How much it is of 45 degrees. Yes. So I am keeping here 45 degrees. After that 40 you have to draw and draw that. So like this you have to draw the rays. Yes. And next T's. Keep here. And how much? After 100 from this. Here 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So draw from this also the ray, and where they both get intersect, yes, that will be our S point. So this is the triangle SAT. So this angle it is of 45 degree and this is of 100 degrees. Yes. So this is about the first construction. Now second I will write here. Continue second one. So in triangle which M and P, measure of NP is given 5.2 centimeter. Next angle and measurement it is of 70 degree and measure of P it is of 40 degree. Yes, first draw the rough figure. I will draw here rough figure. Yes, so base how much, and P it is of 5.2 centimeter and here M. So N angle it is of 70 degree and P angle it is of 40 degree. So step by step, first you have to draw the base down. It is of 5.2. After 5, two lines 1 and 2. So draw that line segment. So this is about 5.2 centimeters NP. Yes. Now an angle. Yes, it is of 70 degree. So I am keeping here and drawing the 70 degrees angle here. Yes, draw that. Raise. Yes. And next, here P it is of 40 degree. So keep here and draw the 40 degrees like this. And draw this where they get intersect. That is our which point? M point. So this is of 40 degree angle and this is of 70 degree angle. Yes. So this is about the second. Now third and fourth, it is for homework. Yes. So see my video and same you have to draw third and fourth. Okay. Thank you.